taking Dakota to go get some shots done, and then gonna bring her home. And once I bring her home, I will be heading up to Sean's shop quick to install these bad boys. Now I also might install some carbon fiber vinyl wrap on the trim over here, but I might do it in a separate video. So I may lay a piece down or whatever, but I might make a completely different video to show you guys how I did it, because I'm not taking these panels off at all. Now, the only issue that I think I will have will probably be here, because I have to kind of tuck that in. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. I would have to tuck the vinyl wrap in to that crease, and it's not like the piece is off, so that might be a little tricky. And then right in here, I might just do a inlay here and then just go over it, because I mean, if I overlay it right over there, it's not that big of a deal. And the last one that may be tricky and may end up being easy is right here, because of these switches. So other than that, like, that's flat, it's flat on that side, it's flat over here, it's flat there, it's flat there, it's flat there. It is literally packed right now. What the? It's only 9:30 in the morning, mind you. And all these people got their dogs here, and she has an appointment at 9:30. It's 9:25. All right, guys. So I'm gonna bring her in, and I'll catch up with you after. So right now I'm gonna take her home, and then I basically just gotta head up to Sean's shop, install the carbon fiber mirrors, start vinyl wrapping some things, and then later I am hanging out with Megan. We are going to her uncle's birthday party. So today's vlog is gonna be not as long. I'm probably gonna end the vlog itself like mid-afternoon. So we're gonna see what happens and see where we get in the vlog. I just dropped Dakota off, but I realized that I'm not going to Sean's shop first. I have to go pick up one of my checks. So I just got to Sean's shop. He's not here right now. So anytime you do this, I'm just saying this for Mercedes just because I know how this one works. Make sure you turn the mirror in so it's flush with this line, because when you pop this off, you don't want to break the glass or hit the glass when you pull off. So I'm going to take this off really quick, and I will catch up with you guys in a minute. So I just wanted to point something out quick, because I just had to watch a bunch of YouTube videos and no one even explained this part. So my carbon fiber piece came like this, where it didn't have the LED insert. Some people can buy it with it, but I didn't. So if you buy it and you don't have the insert, what you need to do is, let me show you here quick. You have a little screw there, and you have another one down over here. Now I'm not sure if you guys can see it that well, but if you ever do this, you'll end up seeing there's only two. You have to get a T15, I believe. So you're just gonna unscrew those screws. So when you do it with the OEM one, you have a clip here and a clip there. You just pop those clips and then you pull the LED placement out. It looks like OEM, they put a little bit of glue on it for it to hold better. I didn't put anything on here because once you screw this down, it sits pretty flush. And then once everything's screwed down, you just place it back on, make sure it hooks up to all the OEM harnesses. And then I'm just gonna turn my car and make sure everything works, so that way I know I did it right. And as you can see, the light obviously works. Alright guys, so that's it for the carbon fiber mirror install. Hopefully I was able to help you guys out. Comment down below if you like the new carbon fiber mirrors. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.